The hammerhead worm is so new, it's yet to be named. The length of a fingernail, but it is deadly. It's on the hunt for a juicy slug or snail, devouring microscopic plants and organisms, and also the fungi that's essential for recycling plant debris. And this is where the hammerhead plays its part, keeping their numbers down, and so protecting the greenery. Using chemical sensors in its hammerhead, it tastes the ground for signs of a victim. Slugs and snails can't help but leave an unmissable trail of slime. It attacks the semi-slug with toxins and digestive juices, breaking down its flesh. Finally, swallowing it through a mouth in the middle of its body. Within a matter of minutes, all that remains is the translucent shell.